The bad news. Cassie's been talking about the potential for triple digits all day.
Yeah, but we've also talked about it before, and
Yes.
it didn't happen. So maybe if we get lucky, it'll go away.
I think you guys have the same dress.
No, it's a different.
It's almost.
Almost,
Yeah,
okay. I
yeah,
mean, different
almost.
color, but
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
I like it.
I like hers better.
Well, I like them both. I think I actually have that, but in a different color.
We all, we call it the uniform. Yeah.
The news dresses. We are expecting 100 degrees, okay? We do have that in the forecast this week. So it's coming a little sooner than later. Yeah. We were looking at maybe a couple weeks from now, but it's starting to speed up and things are just starting to really heat up. Today, we made it to 96 degrees and that is the normal for the day, but we were nowhere near the record being 109 degrees. And I can promise you there's none of that in my future forecast. So the high today, of course, 96. But things are going to get a little hotter here in the days ahead. So let's talk about 100-degree days just in general across Dallas-Fort Worth. The average first 100-degree day that we typically see would be around July 1st. There have been a couple years in there where we did not see any 100-degree days, but that's not very common. That was back in 1973 and also in 1906. The average date of our last 100-degree day, though, that's August 27th. So we still have a lot more days to go. In the meantime, though, it's nice and quiet. It's warm. We've had some clouds move in from the west. Those continue to stream up to the north. Those are just false radar returns. That's not actually rain hitting the ground. We're not expecting any rain in our near future, but maybe down the road. We'll talk about it. Right now, though, we're in the upper 80s in Dallas, 83 degrees in Terrell, dropped down to 79, though, in Greenville, 83 in Granbury, 83 degrees in Mineral Wells, but dew points, they're still in the upper 60s, low and even some mid 70s. So there's still a little bit of humidity and there is still a little bit of a heat index. Despite temperatures dropping into the upper 80s in downtown Dallas, it still feels more like 94 degrees. We're at feeling more like 91, though, in McKinney and 92 degrees in Corsicana. So we're going to stay muggy overnight tonight. The wind is going to stay out of the south between about 5 to 15. Temperatures will stay warm. We're dropping down into the mid and upper 70s tomorrow morning. But tomorrow afternoon, I think it is going to be just a little bit hotter. Tomorrow, the normal actually shifts up to 97 degrees. I'm forecasting a high of 98 in Dallas, 97 though in Fort Worth, 97 in Decatur, and 97 in McKinney. Looking nationally, what's kind of going on here? You can see the clouds, the rain, the storms just kind of circling clockwise around most of Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri. Well, this is all because it's moving around that area of high pressure. So it's that sinking air keeping us pretty quiet for now. But I think there could actually be a disturbance that breaks into that here eventually. The storm right now, it's basically over Florida, but by the time we get into Thursday morning, now it's off the coast of Louisiana. It's going to slowly make its way to the west. By Friday, it could bring some rain to far eastern Texas, but by the time we get to Saturday, some of the latest data still brings in some light rain across parts of North Texas. If that happens, well, obviously we would get more cloud cover and temperatures might go down a little bit, but not by a lot. So we're forecasting a high of 100 degrees on Friday, but by Saturday dropping into the upper 90s. But with the additional moisture, we're going to see heat indices over 100 degrees. So for tonight, temperatures drop down into the upper 70s. Tomorrow, 98 degrees. The 14-day forecast, it still looks hot. We still only have a couple of days of chances of rain, and we have another 100-degree day on the second half of that 14-day.